First, come to this website www.gigabyte.com. Then right hand side you can see search button. Enter your model number of your motherboard X870E AORUS Elite Wi-Fi 7 and then hit enter. Then click to product. So slow down, you can see. Okay, there are two version 1.2 and 1.0 and 1.1. So download, if you are using any, so no worry, all the driver installations process same. Then click to support. Then you can see this is select OS, which is you using Windows 10 and 11. There are two operating systems there. So if you using Windows 10, so this is also, you can follow this, watch this video and follow the installations process almost same, 100% same. You just okay. Audio, and click to download. You can see here the download. Okay, I already downloaded. I show you. This is, you can see 165 size and this is 165. Just single click, and this is exe, means this is main setup of your driver. So this is, just double click, you can extract and then install, but this is so lengthy process. You can install directly, just double click it, automatically extract. Now you show you, then click to yes. Now this is, you can see this is extract. Okay, it is automatically closed, means this is completed.